Hello everyone! I'm coming at you from a different spot in my house just because I want to change it up. So that's why it looks a little different. Anyways, welcome back to week 3 of this stuff. We're already 3 weeks in, so we've kind of got a groove going. Just as a reminder, please make sure to do the attendance every single day. It makes my life a lot easier. Okay? Yup. And we're gonna scroll down. Here we go. Week 3, all the way here at the bottom. And if you look, it looks a little smaller than usual. So, for week 3, the 2 lessons that were lined up for week 3, one was a review lesson, and then one was a new-ish lesson. So for that new lesson, instead of just me doing a bunch of problems over again, I decided to link this video. So when you click this link, it's actually going to take you to this video, which isn't showing right now. Oh, there we go. I watched most of it. I was skimming through here. So this lovely person that made this video, shout out to them, has gone over the 4 methods of solving a quadratic. Obviously, she's going to use some different methods than we have. She's also going to talk about a few things that really don't apply to our class. So, for example, when she talks about imaginary solutions, that really doesn't apply to us, but everything else in the video is super helpful. She's obviously also going through some different methods. So now's your chance to see if there's a different way of factoring that you might like. And she has some good little tips and tricks throughout the video. There isn't any notes attached to that just because it's that video. It's about 30 minutes long, so if you want to watch it, you can. If you want to just skim through here and there, just watch some extra examples, see some extra practice, you totally can. But there's no notes attached with that one because it's not my video. And then here is the new video for this week, Identify and Interpret Key Features of Quadratics. So this is actually a mix of stuff we've already done, and then we're kind of jumping into and looking at word problems, real-world application problems, which we always know is a really fun time, trying to read through and look at different graphs and applying what we see from the graph and the word problem into the algebra. Here's the notes and then the filled in notes. You can use those if you want. You could write your notes however you'd like in your notebook. I'm not there to see, so as long as you're taking some sort of notes, you're in good hands. You're taking care of it. This week we have a Nearpod, so it's a few things. It has a little bit of review stuff of the 4 methods and quite a few problems where you're identifying and interpreting key features. It has a lot of drawing ones, some quizzes, and stuff like that. Obviously, it's a student pace, so there's not any of the silly race games that we've played in class, but it is super helpful. Make sure when you make your Nearpod, you put your first and last name. I have multiple students with the same first or last name, and it gets really confusing grading the Nearpod when it's all jumbled up like that. So make sure you're putting your first and last name. And go through all of those. It is quite a lengthy Nearpod, but this is mostly a review week, so it has reason to be that long. And then last we have the Identify and Interpret Key Features quiz. Yep, that's pretty much it for this week. If you have questions, please Canvas message me, email me, remind app me. But yeah, that's it for this week. Have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to do your attendance. Bye.